The 10 best mechanical pencils. Far removed from the yellow, wooden relics of yesteryear, today's mechanical pencils take advantage of close tolerances and clever technology to provide the ultimate writing and drawing experience. With features like auto advancement and rotating sleeves, engineers, authors, and sketch artists alike will appreciate the care and attention that's gone into these fine instruments. The list starts from FastCap Fat Boy. If you're framing a door or leveling a joist, look to the FastCap Fat Boy, around $14, for a bold and highly durable option to ensure that all your cuts and brackets are flush and plumb. It's the perfect addition to the professional or DIY carpenter's toolbox. Sharpens to any desired point. Great when wearing work gloves, but meant for workshops and job sites. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Auto Point Twin. Few editors actually enjoy disparaging a freshly printed first draft, but at least the Auto Point Twin, around $13, will keep you from having to switch pens at every mistake. With a separate color loaded into each side, it'll streamline most proofreading tasks used by military personnel. Advances using a twisting motion, but not so for drawing. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Stettler Technical. No sketching kit is complete without a 2mm pencil, and the Stettler Technical APPX, $8, fits the bill as the best of the bunch. Depending on the lead you choose, it delivers the boldest outlines or the most consistent shading available. A must-have for freehand artists. Time-tested effective design, but requires sharpening for best results. Well, here is the seventh one. Pentel Orange Nero. Known as one of the most luxurious models, the Pentel Orange Nero APPX, $30, is made with a high-end plastic impregnated with metal particles to provide a consistent heft all along its body. Interestingly, its auto-rotating mechanism can be reversed for right or left-handed users. No side-to-side play for 0.3mm graphite, but one of the most expensive choices. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Uni-Ball Koru Toga. The Uni-Ball Koru Toga APPX, $6, offers what is possibly the most precise model available today. This is mostly due to an innovative, spring-driven internal mechanism that rotates as you write, continually forming a perfectly conical point. Diamond-infused HB2 lead, even where minimizes breakage, but ships with refills and erasers. Now we will show you the fifth product in the list, Pentel Sharp. The simple and effective Pentel Sharp, around $6, is an incredibly popular model, due in part to its very low cost and lightweight. It comes in 3 sizes, from 0.5mm to 0.9, and the larger quantity packages are perfect for stocking in office or classroom. High polymer HB lead, small eraser inside the top, but suitable for standardized testing. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Zebra Stainless Steel. The Zebra Stainless Steel, around $5, is a definite favorite in the sketch artist world. Though it's less well known outside of it, it lives up to its reputation, as it can withstand quite a few accidental drops and still perform reliably. Sleek enough to garner compliments. High traction neural grip, but excels at drawing and writing. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Graph Gear 1000. The widely acclaimed Graph Gear 1000, about $9, is one of the most beloved by architects and engineers. Its crosscut grip is inlaid with soft pads for comfort, and the adjustable hardness indicator helps you pick the right tool from your set with just a quick glance. Mid-weight metal body. Tip retracts when not in use, but reasonable price. According to reviews, the second best product is Rotoring Rapid Pro, available in 0.5, 0.7, and 2mm. The Rotoring Rapid Pro APPX, $22, features a cushioned mechanism and metal sleeve to resist breaking the most brittle lead. It's very evenly balanced and is good for doodling as it is for taking notes. Matte black or chrome exterior. Fully retracting tip, but 2-year warranty. Now here is our best of best the King product. Toga Roulette. The Toga Roulette, around $8, is packed with impressive technological refinements. Its engraved, metal grip and balanced weight are worthy of professional use, and it's particularly well regarded for its rotating loading mechanism that keeps the point sharp and even. Great price for the quality. Premium line consistency, but high-end silver gunmetal finish.